Hi guys. Today we will be seeing how to get this back to school offer from Apple. Apple has launched this new back to school offer with which you will be able to get a brand new boxed Apple AirPods for free, completely for free. It's 0 rupees. That's what I wish to say because right now there is no other chance you will get this offer. Only on Apple online you will be able to get this, and for this we will see how to get that offer in a minute. And before that, I'll also let you know you can get it if you are a college student or a faculty, you will be able to get this offer. It is so simple. You need to have an email address or a college ID card for this to get verified by Unidays. Okay, so we will see how to get that. And apart from that, if you are going to a retail store, you will get it for 53,000, 10% for your college ID or your faculty ID, and 5,000 or 6,000 cashback on your HDFC card. So these are the offers which is available right now. Let us see how to get that. Okay, so if you go to a retail store, you will get it for around 53,000. That is 10% discount, instant discount for your college ID or a faculty ID, and which is verified by Unidays. And then you will get a 5,000 or 6,000 cashback on your HDFC card. So around you will get it around 53,000. But here on online store, only on online store, you get it for 58,000. Like I'm telling you about Mac Mini, you can check the website for more. But I'm just trying to give you an alarm or alert so that you can, if you are planning to buy one Mac, definitely this is the best opportunity wherein you get an AirPod Pro as well as discount. All these things are available, so please go ahead and grab that. Okay, let's see how to do this. Okay, first we will log in. We'll have to join. We will have to join an Unidays program. So first we will join there. So we will go to this Unidays link. You see, I will give it in the description as well. Here you will have to register first. Okay, so here it is asking for personal email address. I would suggest you to give this your college email address, which is ending with .edu, .ac, .in or something like that. So mention that and then click on join now. So since I have already joined, I will use the username and password to log in. Okay, and once you do that, you click on I'm not a robo, and then it'll ask you to select some option and then click on login. That's it. Your Unidays login ID is done. Right now you see here we are in education store. Okay, right now we are not in a normal store, we are in education store wherein everything will be shown in the discounted price only. So right now if you see, if you click on buy, if I click on buy, you see this Mac Mini 58,410. Wherein in a normal, if you go to a normal page, I'll show you in a normal page. Right now we will go into the Apple store in a normal page without Unidays. Okay, you see, if you go for a Mac Mini, if I click on buy, it will give you an option. The base variant will show us 64,900. Okay, right now 64,900, but here in education store you get it for 58,410. But if you wanted to choose 512 GB storage also, you can choose that one. You can choose it, and same offer will be applicable. So right now I have chosen 256 GB, which is a base variant, and then if you wanted to upgrade something else, you can select that and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you will get this option. This is the best, this is the thing which I'm talking about. You can choose your AirPods. It is for AirPods with the charging case is 0 rupees. It is absolutely 0 rupees. And AirPods with the wireless charging case is 4,000 rupees. And you can get a brand new AirPod Pro for 10,000 rupees. I'm sorry, 10,000 rupees. And if you don't want anything, you can click on no thanks. I'm not sure who's going to click on no thanks because no thanks is of no use here. So go ahead and grab any one of your AirPod Pro. I personally would go with the AirPods with the charging case because later on we can get any other AirPods on Amazon on offer. But right now we will grab this base variant and this offer without any. We will go with the normal AirPods with a charging case. But I have chosen to take this AirPods Pro just for the example. So you can see here. So this is the offer. Mac Mini is 58,410 and AirPod Pro is 24,900. But if you scroll down, you will get a discount. Okay, so totally you will be paying 68,410. That is the price. So right now I will not be clicking on right now I will not show you what is next, but you will have to provide the user ID, check out with your email address and password, check out with your address and password, and then finally you will get this offer. Okay, provide your credit card details or a debit card details and you can buy this deal, you can get this deal. Okay, so go ahead guys, grab one Mac Mini or your MacBook Pro or your iPads. Okay, this offer is only for Mac Mini, MacBook Pro or iPads. Okay, not for iPhones or anything else. And you can get your iMac also, that is not a problem. Okay, so make sure that you proceed properly or check your pricing each and every time, because when you go ahead and check out of anything, sometimes the price would come back to the normal pricing. So please ensure, and you can also engrave your AirPods, okay, for free. This many characters are allowed, so I will also show you how many characters are allowed. Okay, so you can go ahead and engrave your AirPods for free. Okay, so approximately these many characters, only these many characters are allowed. So right now I'm not going to engrave anything, because for reselling that will be a problem, so I don't want to engrave that. And go ahead and click on checkout, and it will give you the delivery options, like when will it be delivered, and address. Address, you will have to mention your address and other things. So this is what I'm talking about, leave the secure checkout. When you click on leave secure checkout, the price would go back to normal pricing. So please ensure each and every time that you are with the education, you are inside the education store. Okay, so if you are not inside the education store, please ensure that you are inside the education store by logging into the education store, as I told you. Alright guys, so I'm not sure, so right now you can select the address, what is your contact information. Please make sure that you provide your phone number here and your email address, and then click on continue, and then that's it, you're done. So please read all these things carefully, that is so important. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching. Hope I have helped you in purchasing an iMac or MacBook Pro or Mac Mini for your productivity. And please appreciate me for doing this by like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye.